Hey, what's up, people? So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Meze Audio Rise Solo IEMs or in-ear headphones. They're pretty cool looking. I got them as a kind of a backup. Like I've got some Sennheiser True, I think Momentum 2s, whatever they're called, but they're like wireless earbuds. These are wired and are supposed to sound really good quality wise. So I thought it'd be cool to have a backup here in case the batteries in my main ones die, especially like on vacation. So I thought it'd just be cool to kind of do an unboxing. The box is super nice. I mean, like really good packaging, so that's kind of impressive just at first glance. I'm using a Benchmade 940 -1. I think this is the carbon fiber and S90V version. So if anybody cares about that, let's take off some of the packaging. So there they are. See them in the case. The packaging is really, really impressive, honestly, especially for not being like crazy expensive. I got a really good deal on these. I think I got them like 40% off essentially. So for that price, I feel like it would be pretty hard to be let down, but oh, very cool. And I guess these, they're kind of famous because they have a certain type of driver. They're kind of, if anybody cares, traditional driver versus the wire-free UPM design. I don't know a lot about it. I kind of want to research and watch some YouTube videos tonight on it, but I guess that's what's supposed to be kind of different about these drivers. There's the earbuds. These are full, like molded stainless steel. So they look really, really high quality. Honestly, they look higher quality than like what you would imagine paying for them. Like if you told me these were like $1,000 headphones just by the looks alone, I would totally believe you. I think I have to take this out first, actually. So that all comes out as one piece. There's the cables. There's the case. Really, really nice. There's all the different earpieces, and man, they got a lot of them. Wow. If you can't get these to fit you right, then something's wrong. Really cool little place to put stuff. So, super impressed with the case. Okay, close back. Hard to do behind the camera. Yeah, cool. And just the warranty paperwork probably. And let's see if I can get these out behind the camera. Not messing anything up. There we go. Okay, cool. So there they are. Really, really, really nice looking. It's got that kind of real, metallic, really metallic feel. Very neat. I don't know if I'm gonna get into doing like reviews and stuff like that or not as a audio, but I might. But I just think it's cool to show these off. I'm sure they're gonna sound awesome, so give them a shot. All right, thanks for watching.